The purpose of this examination was to determine if the document exhibited any sign of alteration, forgery, or other suspicious characteristics. Upon initial examination, the document appeared to be in a good condition. However, upon closer inspection, several areas of interest were noted. The suspected mechanical erasure observed on this paper at approximately in this area. These erasures appear to be a rubbing that is not consistent with the surrounding paper texture. Using a oblique light examination, the erasures appear to be a mechanical erasure possibly caused by rubbing. Based on the examination and findings, it is suspected that the document may have been altered or tampered with. The purpose of the suspected mechanical erasure suggested that an additional investigation is warranted to determine the origin and authenticity of document.